Advanced Vocabulary 4. CSS, FPSC, SPSC, PPSC, BPSC, AJKPSC, KPPSC, PMS and all other competitive exams. Part 10. Subscribe our channel Dawn Vocabulary with Urdu meaning for more upcoming new videos. Like, subscribe, share and comments. (181) Malignant, adjective deadly. Synonyms, destructive, mortal. Antonyms, harmless, healthful. Sentence, he died of a malignant tumor. 182 Denigrate, verb besmirch. Synonyms, defame, disparage. Antonyms, praise, laud. Sentence, we should not try to denigrate the character of anyone. 183 Dauntless, adjective bold. Synonyms, brave, gallant. Antonyms, timid, fearful. Sentence, Bhutto was a dauntless politician. 184 Decorum, noun grace. Synonyms, propriety, dignity. Antonyms, impropriety, levity. Sentence, we all should maintain our decorum. 185 Detriment, noun damage. Synonyms, harm, loss. Antonyms, profit, benefit. Sentence, smoking is a detriment to good health. 186 Dreary, adjective cheerless. Synonyms, comfortless, dark. Antonyms, inspiring, pleasant. Sentence, I will have to go to another dreary meeting tomorrow. 187 Grotesque, adjective ugly. Synonyms, absurd, odd. Antonyms, graceful, natural. Sentence, his grotesque appearance makes him defame. 188 Glide, verb pass. Synonyms, relapse, go by. Antonyms, stop, freeze. Sentence, he players glided across the field easily. 189 Gingerly, adverb carefully. Synonyms, cautiously, delicately. Antonyms, hesitantly, timidly. Sentence, Ahmed gingerly moved his injured foot. 190 Team, verb overflow. Synonyms, overrun, full. Antonyms, lack, need. Sentence, the saga's teem with references to the inhabitants. 191 Chunky, adjective chubby. Synonyms, stocky, stout. Antonyms, skinny, thin. Sentence, Uruj is a chunky fellow of mine. 192 Hasping, verb fasten. Synonyms, grab, catch. Antonyms, loose, release. Sentence, Ollie went to the window and hasped it. 193 Undertone, noun mumble. Synonyms, murmur, hint. Antonyms, overtone, enunciate. Sentence, Nisha was talking in undertone. 194 Unscathed, adjective unharmed. Synonyms, unhurt, uninjured. Antonyms, hurt, injured. Sentence, the passengers escaped unscathed. 195 Varnish, verb add a layer to, embellish. Synonyms, lacquer, cover. Antonyms, uncover, reveal. Sentence, the painter varnished the doors. 196 Tout, verb laud. Synonyms, praise, promote. Antonyms, blame, discourage. Sentence, they touted her performance. 197 Tepid, adjective mild. Synonyms, warm, unenthusiastic. Antonyms, enthusiastic, keen. Sentence, the applause from the audience was tepid. 198 Vestige, noun sign. Synonyms, glimmer, indication. Antonyms, information, lot. Sentence, some people are said to have revealed no vestige of religion. 199 Ingrained, adjective deep-rooted. Synonyms, deep-seated, inbred. Antonyms, acquired, learned. Sentence, the notion of scarcity is ingrained in them. 200 Feud, noun major argument. Synonyms: conflict, dispute. Antonyms: friendship, accord. Sentence: the feud between the two sisters lasted for 2 hours. Subscribe our channel Dawn Vocabulary with Urdu meaning for more upcoming new videos. Like, subscribe, share and comments.